Explore an intriguing collection of cities in the Far East on a spectacular 15-day journey with Viking. Begin with an overnight stay in Hong Kong to experience this exciting, incredibly diverse metropolis by day and by night. From Victoria Harbour, you'll sail to picturesque Xiamen. This colonial Chinese city is built across a series of islands at the delta of the Julong River. In Japan, Ishigaki Island is rich in natural wonders, including a million-year-old limestone cavern, while Okinawa is home to Shuri Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Returning to China, Shanghai is a study in contrasts, where traditional gardens linger in the shadows of one of the most futuristic skylines on Earth. And you can take it all in with a stroll along the historic Bund riverfront. China's beautiful Qingdao, surrounded by the sea on 3 sides, was once a German colony. It's known for its delicious beer and an impressive collection of half-timbered houses in the historic Old Town. Dalian may remind you of Europe's great cities, with its wide tree-lined boulevards and white sand beaches. But this historic city is thoroughly Chinese at its heart. Legendary Beijing, China's capital, is your final stop and includes an overnight stay. The history and culture here will take your breath away, including the Forbidden City, Tiananmen Square, and the nearby Great Wall.